Best pressure washers. Number 5. Joe SPX1000 1450 psi 1.45 GPM 11.5 amp. The ultimate dirt fighter, the pressure Joe SPX1000 is ideal for tackling a variety of light to medium duty cleaning jobs. Use it to clean boats, motorcycles, RVs, ATVs, trailers, decks, barbecues, siding and more. Number 4. Karcher 15-inch pressure washer. Karcher's 15 inches surface cleaner works in tandem with your gas pressure washer, up to 3200 psi, to quickly deliver professional level cleaning without splashback. It cleans an area 15 inches wide with 2 spinning nozzles instead of 1, reducing your cleaning time, and eliminates streaks by keeping the nozzles at a fixed height from the surface. Number 3. Joe SPX4000 2030 psi 1.76 GPM 14.5 amp. You name it. You aim it. Grime is gone. Tackle your toughest home, outdoor and auto cleaning projects with ease with the Joe SPX4000 electric pressure washer. Packed with 1800 watts of pure power, the 14.5 amp motor generates up to 2030 psi to demolish every last bit of dirt, grease, gunk and grime. Number 2. Roav, by Anker, Hydro Clean electric pressure washer. And 1800 watts motor pumps out 1.78 GPM to provide 2100 pounds per square inch of pressure for a deep, thorough clean. Premium design, metal handles and spray gun ensure greater durability. 3 nozzles allow you to select the way you want to clean. Note, make certain the nozzle is securely attached before turning on the pressure washer. Number 1. Joe SPX3000 Pressure Joe 2030 psi 1.76, Power, Performance, Versatility. The Pressure Joe SPX3000 electric pressure washer delivers it all to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks: homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment and more. Packed within 1800 watts / 14.5 amp motor, the Pressure Joe SPX3000 generates up to 2030 psi